Wine and Country welcomes you to Rumwell Park. We're on the western edge of Taunton in this beautiful Grade 2 listed home that has a history that allows an incoming buyer to really consider a multitude of options. So, wonderful family home for a large family, but also a successful history of private events, Airbnb, small wedding venue. There are a whole host of options here. Have a look around with me and see what you think. This is really one of those times I wish I'd paid a bit more attention to my piano lessons. Look at the magnificence of this room. There are a number of key reception rooms here that really do give you a sense of grandeur and style, a lot of original character features, and some superb views. We're backing onto fields, views across to the Blackdown Hills. It's stunning. So Rumwell Park is so much more than just a house. We have this 7-bedroom property with its own annex, standing in well over 2 acres of grounds, that is a residential house for your family. It was also 2 properties formerly, so you could divide. It could be that wedding venue. It could be the Airbnb. There's so much on offer here. You really do need to come and have a look at it to appreciate it. Give us a call, 01823 423 500.